Hello students, how are you? So let's continue our revision process, and today we will revise class 11th English lesson 4 in the form of multiple choice questions. So the topic of today's revision is landscape of the soul. This video is presented to you by SK Jain PGT English JNB Katni MP. So the first question of this lesson is, what two forms of art did the author contrast in this chapter? Option A, Indian ancient art and Chinese art. B, Chinese art and European art. C, American art and European art. D, European art and Greek art. So when you study the lesson, you find out that the author has contrasted Chinese art and European art in this chapter. Second question. Who did the Tang Emperor Zhuangzong commission to decorate a wall in the palace? Option A, Exai B, Wu Kuisi, C, Wu Daozi, D, Wu Shaomi. Yes, what is the right answer? The right answer is Wu Daozi. Option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Who was the Chinese emperor during the 8th century? Option A, Yongle Emperor Zhu Di. B, Tang Emperor Zhuangzong. C, Jiawen Emperor Zhu Yunwen. D, Daicheng Emperor Zhu Chengzlu. So the right option is option B, Tang Emperor Zhuangzong. Next question is, where did the painter draw the attention in the painting? Option A, sun. Option B, palace. C, bird. D, a cave at the foot of the mountain. So the right answer of this question is a cave at the foot of the mountain. Question number 5. What happened when the painter entered the cave? Option A, the entrance closed behind him. B, painting vanished. C, nothing happened. D, it was only a dream. So the right option is the entrance closed behind him. Question number 6. Why didn't the painter want to draw an eye of a dragon? Option A, he feared that the painting would not look good. B, he feared that the dragon would fly out of the painting. C, he feared that dragon will seem real. D, because he didn't want to work. So the right option is he feared that the dragon would fly out of the painting. Question number 7. What was the name of the blacksmith in the 15th century Antwerp? Option A, Adam Mulch. B, Saturn Mestis. C, Laurie Adam. D, Quentin Mestis. The right answer of this question is Quentin Mestis. Quentin Mestis was the blacksmith. Question number 8. Why didn't the father approve of the love of his daughter and the blacksmith? Option A, due to his profession. B, due to his caste. C, due to his appearance. D, none of these. So the correct answer is due to his profession. So the blacksmith wanted to marry the daughter of the painter, but the painter did not want to marry her daughter to a blacksmith. Later the blacksmith proved that he was also a good painter. Question number 9. What did Quentin do to get into an apprenticeship into his master's studio? Option A, asked him to admit him to. B, drew a fly on his latest panel that looked real. C, he gave an interview. And D, drew a dragon. So the right answer is drew a fly on the latest panel that looked real. This impressed the painter and he admitted him into studio and married his daughter to him. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 10. What did the two forms of art depict? Option A, a perfect illusionistic likeness in Europe. the essence of inner life and spirit in Asia. Option B, a perfect illusionistic likeness in Asia, the essence of inner life and spirit in Europe. Option C, perfect art form in Asia and realness in Europe. D, it depicted nothing. Out of the given options, the right answer is a perfect illusionistic likeness in Europe, the essence of inner life and spirit in Asia. This is the difference. Question number 11. What did the Chinese painter want the viewer to do? Option A, he wants the viewer to enter his mind. B, he wants the viewer to admire his painting. C, he wants them to imagine the scene. D, he wants them to feel like they are inside of the scene. So the correct answer is option A, he wants them to enter his mind. Question number 12. What does the concept of Shen Shui mean? A concept of Shen Shui represent option A, imaginary place. B, worship. C, mountain water, which when used together represent the world landscape. D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Shen Shui means mountain water, which when used together represent the world landscape. Next question. Question number 13. What does yang mean? Option A, mountain vertically towards heaven, stable, warm and dry in the sun. Option B, water horizontal and resting on the earth, fluid, moist and cool. Option C, neutral action. D, receptive feminine aspect of universal energy. The correct answer is mountain. Yang means mountain vertically towards heaven, stable, warm and dry in the sun. Question number 14. Where had the master hidden the masterpiece for the emperor to see? In a room behind the screen, underground place behind a cupboard. So the right answer is behind a screen. Next question is question number 15. What does the European figurative painting mean to the viewer? Option A, illusion. B, imagination. C, exactly as he sees it from a specific angle, the view of the painter. So European figurative painting mean exactly as he sees it from a specific angle. Question number 16. What is the essential third element? Option A, left void. B, middle void. C, yang. D, yin. Correct answer is middle void. Third element, essential third element is middle void. Yin, yang and middle void. These are the three elements of Shen Shui. Question number 17. In Antwerp, a master blacksmith called Quentin Vestis fell in love with a daughter. Whose daughter? Emperor's daughter, painter's daughter, minister's daughter, master's daughter. What is the right answer? Yes, the right answer is painter's daughter. Question number 18. What, according to the painter, dwells in the cave? Option A, spirit. B, magic. C, mystery. D, dragon. The right answer is there dwells a spirit. Question number 19. Chinese art require participation of the viewer. So what is the right answer? Passive, emotional, active or methodological? The right answer is active participation. Active participation of the viewer. Chinese art require active participation of the viewer. Now the last question of today's video is, this is a homework question for you. How did the cave open? Option A, painter said a prayer. B, with a magic spell. C, painter clapped his hands. D, with a command. So everybody write the answer, type the answer in the comment, and also you have to comment your opinions about this revision video. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. Continue studying and continue learning.